Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Today we talk about the Chinese whose sound is bar. Okay, there are eight characters whose sound is bar, but all the sound is bar, but they have different tone. Okay, in Chinese they have 5 tones. First tone like second tone third tone like third. First tone is like fifth is no tone. Okay, it's very lightly no tone. Okay, so we see the character. This is bar. It's the first one. This is the first one. He has first one. Okay, this means catch. It has two parts. The top part right and bottom. The top part means net and catch. The bottom part means a capable person. Okay, this word means officer with a power officer. Okay. You see, the top part means net, arrested. The bottom part means a talented person, officers. So his meaning means to arrest the officer. Okay, arrest the officer. Stop. Second meaning stop ended. Bar. Okay. This is another bar. He has a third tone. Okay, this is his third tone. Bar. So we have two parts. The left part means hand. Okay. The right part hand grasp. Right part means steal. Okay. So he means hold. Has two parts. The left part means hand grasp. Right part means motionless. So his meaning is firmly control, manage. Okay. The first meaning, firmly grasp, is a verb. Second meaning means starting point of section. Third meaning, qualifier, root species, amount of the first hand rested. First meaning, numerals. Qualifier used in the back indicate uncertainty. Fixed preposition taken to use. Okay, bar. Okay, the next one is other bar. Okay, we introduce another bar. This is bar, another bar. It has a second tone bar. This is his tone. So this bar has two parts. Left part means foot. Right part means a dog. Dog run like a dog. Okay. So his meaning means run like a dog, harshly. Okay. It's another bar. So another bar. This has second tone bar. Okay. This bar has two parts. Left part, right part. Left part means hand. Right part means run. Okay. So left part means hand. Right part means suddenly withdraw. Okay. So his meaning means take out of the plan. Suddenly withdraw. Other meaning weaving withdraw the object from the plan. Out of the plan belonged. Meaning mission post promotion. Bar. This is a bar. It's a first tone. It's 8. Okay. So his basic meaning means separate. Okay. So another meaning means it's like a knife. Okay. Okay. The ancient people think 8 is the ultimate number, okay? Not 10, not 9, but 8. So the first meaning in the separate segmentation. Second meaning means positive integer between 7 and 9. 8 bar. Okay, we do another bar. This bar has the first tone bar. This bar, this is like a person. See, it's like a person. The person, this is his hand. His hand with beak. So this word meaning the person with a big hand, big hand. So his original meaning means the person living in a jungle with big hand. Okay, very good at climbing. Okay, his first meaning, okay, climbing the long arm of the jungle. Second meaning, original jungle in the southwest China. Third meaning, climb. First meaning, seize grass. Fifth meaning, motionless firmly. Sixth meaning, motionless quietly. Seventh meaning, objective can grip object. Okay. This is another bar. Here the first tone. This bar. So this bar has two parts. Left part means hand. Another part means this part means human anatomy. So his meaning means knife anatomy. Okay. The first meaning knife anatomy. Second meaning means 8. Okay. Thank you for watching.